Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to turn on two-factor authentication on Etsy. So let's get started. First of all, sign into your account where you want your two-factor authentication to be turned on. Click on continue as you can see here and then go to the account section right here and simply go to account settings. Right after that, you would need to go to security in here, and from this area, guys, you will find turn two-factor authentication on. So simply now what I'm going to do is to click on it. And here you are going to choose what kind of two-factor authentication you would like to go for. There is two or three types: authenticator app, which is the most secure one. There is the SMS and the phone call. Now, as I'm going to try, for example, authenticator app, so I'm going to click on continue, and then I'm going to simply click on continue. Here they will recommend the Google Authenticator, which is an application located in both iPhone and Android. So this is the one that you're looking for. Now click on continue here and simply go ahead and use the application and scan this code. So I'm gonna do this myself. So let me just open my phone. I'm going to click on scan QR code, and then I'm going to very fast like this. I'm going to scan the code. I have scanned it correctly, and once you scan it, you will have a code that you can write down. So here we go, and click on confirm, and this should be it. So now this is literally it for today's video, as you can see. So I'm gonna copy this, click on continue. Normally I shouldn't show you this page, but it's all good, it's all fine. I don't really use this account, only for video purposes, so everything is good. As you can see, this is pretty much it for today's video. This is how you can turn on two-factor authentication. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.